So, this is Suresh Basvi. Happy morning to all. My channel name is SB Maths Made Easy, as you know very well. Till now, you are supported overwhelmingly. In future days, also, I need your support. Thank you for those who are subscribed to my channel. Thank you for those who are subscribing my channel. Those who are subscribing my channel. So this is Suresh Basvi. Today we are going to discuss 7th class mathematics, lines and angles. Okay, lines and angles. What are the lines and so many things. So in this, you may learn pair of angles, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, angles made by a transversal. These four things are going to be learned in this video. Okay, so let's go to the chapter. Okay, right. So the first thing is exercise, review exercise. Okay, so as you know very well, uh, 1 minute, Nana. Review exercise. Okay, so observe this. Observe the figure and name the points, line segments, rays and lines from the figure. Okay, so as you know very well, 1 minute. So this is a point. When two points are get together, this is a line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. Am I right? Line segment has two endpoints, and also when it is when it is one side, when it is going to endless at one side, then it is called ray. Then this is also two side endless, then it is also called line. Okay, so observe the figure and name the points, line segments, rays and lines from the figure. So as you know very well, 1 minute, Nana. I think I took this. This is first thing is this is AE bar. First thing is like this. This is AE line, no doubt about that. Okay, next AB line segment, BD line segment, and also DE line segment. Okay, next AD line segment. You took AD line segment, you took AE line segment, whatever it may be. Next BC line segment because it has two endpoints. So next CD line segment because it has two endpoints. Point Z, point Z. This is a point Z. Am I right, Nana? So next DE line segment and so on. So it is like this. Next, observe the figure and write intersecting lines. So as usual, you know very well, this is a line, and if two lines are if two lines have one common point, then it is called intersecting lines. If two lines have no common points, then we call them as parallel lines. Am I right? Then we call them as parallel lines. Okay, so this is also intersecting lines, but it is perpendicular to each other. It is perpendicular to each other. Okay, Nana? It is perpendicular to each other. So these are the lines. If three or more lines passing through one point, then we call them as concurrent lines. We call them as concurrent lines. So second problem introduction అయిపోయిందన్నమాట. So in this L and P, L and P are perpendicular. L is perpendicular to P. Okay. Next L, M, N are L, M, N are concurrent lines because three or more lines when passing through a same point or passing through one point, then we call them as concurrent lines. So L, M, N are concurrent lines. So yes, the answer is fulfilled. Am I right, Anna? The answer is fulfilled. Okay. Next, I am going to rub it. Right. So next, draw a line segment PQ is equal to 6.3. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 6.3. So when I use a scale, yeah, when I use scale, so like this, 1 minute. When I use scale like this, 1 minute. Okay. Yes. So in this, when I took this is a point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.3. Yes, like this. So I draw a line. This is I can name it as like this. So A B 6.3. Okay, right. 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 1 minute. Right. Right. So draw a line segment means like this. When I took a line here 1 to 6.3, sorry, 0 to 6.3, you can name it as PQ. Okay. Name any three possible angles in the figure. Name any three possible angles in the figure. Okay, Rana? Name any three possible angles in the figure. So see this. I mean, already I told that. Uh, no. I didn't told that. If two rays are combined together at one point, then we call them as an angle. So like this. Okay. This is a ray and this is also a ray. If two rays are combined together, then we call them as angle, like this. Okay, like this also. Okay, Anna? Next, like this. Like this. Is it okay? This is also a lines. Okay, Anna? Right. Next, so here, here OP is a O, sorry, POQ angle POQ is a line, is an angle, and angle QOR is an angle, and angle ROS is also an angle, and also POS, angle POS is also an angle, So how many angles are there? QOP or POQ, whatever it may be. Next ROP also, Next SOP or POS, whatever it may be. Okay, like this. How many angles are there? One, again two, again QOR is also there. One. Okay, one, two, and three, and four, and five, and QOS also there. Angle QOS also there. Angle QOS also there. So these are the angles. Okay, Nana. So now I'm going to rub it. Right. So again, 1 minute. I'm going to share the share it also. Right. So like this. This is an angle. This is an angle. So OAP. So OA and OP together combine at O. So when two angles, sorry, when two rays are combined together at one point, or when two rays having an end point O, then we call them as an angle OAP, or angle P. Sorry, 1 minute, only 1 minute. 1 minute, Nana. So angle POA or angle AOP. We can name it as angle POA or angle AOP, whatever it may be. So this is two. So like this also, an angle is there. Okay, Nana? So if 1 minute, Nana. Yes, this is a right angle. This is a right angle. Okay, so I can name it as right. 90 degrees is called right angle. 90 degrees is called right angle. Okay, Nana. So 180 degrees is called supplementary angle. And 360 degrees is called conjugate angles. Sorry, sorry. So complete angle, we can name it as complete angle. Okay, Nana. So when X is an angle, if it is less than 90 and greater than 0, then it is called acute angle. If X is an angle, it is greater than X 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. It is called obtuse angle. Next, when X is an angle, it is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Then we call them as reflexive angle. Reflexive angle. Am I right, Nana? Reflexive angle. Right. So I need to draw an angles. I need to draw an angles. Okay. Right. So this is a right angle. This is a right angle. No doubt about that. Next, I am going to take another color. This is supplementary angle. This is supplementary angle. When it is rounded off, then it is called complete angle. Next, this is called 90 degrees. After 90 degrees, this angle occur. So because it is greater than 90 degrees, this is called obtuse angle. Then this is nothing but less than 90 degrees. That's why we can call them as acute angle. We can call them as acute angle. Am I right, Nana? So now, one minute, Nana. I'm going to share. So write the type of angles you observed in the given below. So at 3 o'clock it is 90 degrees. So no doubt about that. At 3 o'clock it is 90 degrees. Okay, Nana. So it is 90 degrees less than less than 90 degrees. That's why this is called acute angle, and this is called obtuse angle, and this is called straight angle, and this is called reflexive angle. Okay, Nana? So one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Am I right, Nana? 90 degrees. Write any two acute angles and any two obtuse angles. No doubt about that. We can write it. Write any two acute angles. Acute angles means It is nothing but greater than 0 and less than 90. So whatever it may be, 40 degrees and 30 degrees. So two acute angles. I write two acute angles. Right, Nana? Obtuse angle. It is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So that's why I am going to write it as 110 and 130. These are obtuse angles. Am I right, Anna? So seventh problem is over. Observe the parallel and perpendicular lines in the given figure. Write them using symbols parallel and okay. 1 minute. Okay, Anna, I am going to clear the drawings. So observe the parallel and perpendicular lines. So I am going to take blue color. So as already I told that if two lines having no common point, then we call them as parallel lines. If two lines having one common point, we call them as intersecting lines. If two lines are perpendicular together, we call them as perpendicular lines. Okay, Nana? So like this, we know very well. So I'm going to clear all the drawings. Okay. So here L and M are parallel. L is parallel to M. This is parallel symbol. It is nothing but railway track. Am I right? So railway track has no common point. Right? Next. L is perpendicular to N and also M is perpendicular to N. Am I right, Nana? Right. Okay. So now I am going to clear all the time. Measure angle AOB with the protractor. So you can use the protractor to measure this. So to measure this. Okay, Nana. So I think it is acute angle. Am I right? Acute angle. Right. While referring to 1 minute. So while referring to the measure of an angle, triangle ABC, we shall write M angle ABC as simply angle ABC. Okay, we can 1 minute. We can refer it as M angle ABC or simply angle ABC in రాసవచ్చు. So whether we are referring the angle or its measure, ఏదైనా కానీ అలానే రాసుకోవచ్చు. రైట్. సో ఇదంతా తెలుగు మీడియం అయినా మనకు పని లేదు, తెలుగు మీడియంతో ప్రస్తుతానికి. సో now we are going to learn pair of angles. So pair of angles is nothing but we can say that two angles having common point and having common ray and having common end point, having no common space. E space where having no common space, then we call them as corresponding angles or telugulo emantarante asana konalu antaru. So pair of angles, here the pair of angles are AOB and BOC. So easily you can say that angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to angle AOC. Okay, right? So 15 pieces of paper. మీరు గమనించండి, ఇదంతా యాక్టివిటీ మీరు చేయాలన్న యాక్టివిటీ. You can do it. So write each pair of angles given below on each piece of paper. Fold each paper separately and put them in a box. Ask each student to come. Okay, idantha ade. Right. So pair of angles are complementary angles, pair of supplementary angles, pair of conjugate angles. Right. Here we can divide this pair of angles into three types. One, complementary angles, supplementary angles, conjugate angles. So if two angles sum is 90 degrees, then we call them as complementary angles. See this, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called as complementary angles to each other. Okay, Nana? Here 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. That's why we can say that they are complementary. 51, 39. Their sum is also 90 degrees. That's why we can say that it is complementary angles. Sorry, they are complementary angles. Now I can write down this as 1 minute. 2070. Next 1575. Okay. Next 80 10 degrees. Okay. So I can name it also. Okay. Right. 20 plus 70 90 degrees. Then we can call them as complementary angles. So here angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees, angle PQR is equal to 50 degrees. Then we can call them as angle ABC, comma angle PQR are complementary angles. Okay, Rana? So write 3 pairs on your own. Okay, Rajeshram, అయిపోయింది. So as usual, you know very well. As usual, you know very well. So 1 minute, Nana. If right. So this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. When I put another angle, okay, no, okay, 1 minute, right? So total is nothing but so this is x, then automatically this is 90 minus x. Am I right, Anna? Am I right? So like this. So if one angle is x, then automatically its complementary angle is 90 minus x. Automatically its complementary angle is nothing but 90 minus x. That's it. Okay, right. So we can name it also 30 60, 20 70, 40 50, 35 55, 65 25, whatever it may be, we can choose it. So I can write it 65 degrees, 25 degrees. Am I right? Next 45 and 45 also. Next 15 degrees. I think 75 degrees. Am I right? 15 degrees, 75 degrees. Like it, like this way. Okay. So I'm going to clear all the drawings. Right. So complementary angles is nothing but if two angles sum is 90 degrees, then we call them as complementary angles. So supplementary angles. Supplementary angles is nothing but we can call them as 1 minute, Nana. So if one angle is one ray is like this and another ray, 1 minute. So another ray is like this and this like this. Okay, Rana? So we can call them as supplementary angles. So if one angle is x, then automatically their supplementary angle is then its supplementary angle is 180 minus x. 180 minus x. So that's it, Nana. So 180 minus x. Okay. So if I will take it, I will take it through the clear all ranks. I am going to share the screen. Raya. Clear all ranks. Right. Right. So I'm going to new share it. So like this. 1 minute. Clear all drawings. Okay. Right like it. If one angle is x, automatically then another angle is 180 minus x, because they are supplementary angles. Because they are supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are nothing but, if two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles. Am I right, Dana? Right. So I'm going to clear all the drawings. Right, Nana? So I'm going to write right. Okay. So if one angle is 120 degrees, then their supplementary angle is 60 degrees. No doubt about it. And their supplementary angle is 80 degrees, 60 degrees. That means I took this. Okay. So this is nothing but supplementary angles. Okay, Rana? When I took this, if this is x, then automatically this is 180 minus x. If this is 70, automatically this is 110. Am I right? So like this, you can say that if two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles. Okay, so 50, 130 is nothing but supplementary angles, because um, the angles sum is 180 degrees. So like this, 162, 118 is nothing but 180. 120, 60 is nothing but 180. And also I can write like this. So 55 degrees. Okay, 55 degrees. And then we need two angle sum is 180. So what is the complementary angle of that? Sorry, supplementary angle of that. So 180 minus 55. We have to write 180 minus 55. Okay. So if one angle is x, then automatically their supplementary angle is 180 minus x. Am I right? So 5. So 12. Here 17 is there. 17 of 5 with it 12. 125. 125. Okay, Nana. Next 115. 65. Am I right? Next 70, 110. Okay. So these are the supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are nothing but, if two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles. Then we call them as supplementary angles. Next, next another thing is going, another pair of angles are conjugate angles. Another pair of angles are conjugate angles. So I'm going to clear all the drawings. I'm going to clear all the drawings. Okay, Nana? So conjugate angles are supplementary angles, whatever it may be. So if two angles sum is, if the sum of two angles is 360, if the sum of two angles is 360, then the angles are called as conjugate angles to each other. The angles are called conjugate angles to each other, or otherwise, if the sum of the two angles is 360, then we call them as conjugate angles. So, for suppose, can I take that? If one angle is 330, automatically the another angle is 330 degrees. If one angle is 151, then another angle is 209. Why? Because two angle you must be two angle sum is 90 degrees. Okay, so see this. If one angle is x, then automatically its conjugate angle is 360 minus x. 360 minus x. So like this, one when I take 170 degrees, then automatically 190 is there. Am I right? Next, one angle is 250, then automatically then another angle is 110. Okay, so one angle is 160, then automatically another angle is 200 degrees. So right like this. So if the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the angles are called conjugate angles. Then the angles are called as conjugate angles to each other. Then the angles are called conjugate angles to each other. Okay, right. So 1 minute, I am going to clear all the ranks. That means if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called as complementary angles to each other. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called as supplementary angles to each other. If the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, then the angles are called as conjugate angles to each other. As conjugate angles to each other. Okay. So like this, we can go on, we can go on. So find the complementary angles of 27, 43, K, 2, whatever it may be. So I have to take this as 1 minute. సో ఈ రెండింటిని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే 1 minute, I'm going to take this. ఓకేనా? Right. I'm going to paste it. Okay, so the snipping tool is there. Okay, find the complementary angles of 27 degrees. So I can write like this. So for 27 degrees, we can easily say that 90 minus 27. 90 minus 27. 3 is there, 63. So the complementary angles of 27 degrees is 63 degrees. The complementary angles of 43 degrees is nothing but 37 degrees. Am I right? No. 57. 47 degrees. Sorry, no. 47 degrees. K. 90 minus K. 288. Am I right? So like this, supplementary angles means if the two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles to each other. Supplementary angles to each other, like this. Okay, Nana? So I can make it also like this. So then 43. Sorry, 53. If I'm not wrong, 63. 63 degrees 47 degrees, 90 minus k, 88 degrees. These are the complementary angles to that angles. Find the supplementary angles of 13 degrees. So you need to clarify that if the two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles to each other. So that's why I am going to take this as 180 minus 13. That means 7. Here 7, 167. 167. So I'm going to clear all the drawings. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఇదేనా 167 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 167. ఇక్కడ 97 కు 180 రావాలంటే when two angles sum is need to be two angles sum is 180 degrees. So 97 plus 93. 93. Am I right? So it is nothing but 180 minus a degrees. It is nothing but 46 is nothing but 46 180 minus 46. When I take that 4 5 154 degrees. 154 degrees. Okay, Nana? 154 degrees like this. Okay, clear all drawings. So if the two angles sum is 180 degrees, then we call them as supplementary angles to each other. Supplementary angles to each other. Next, conjugate angles. Conjugate angles is nothing but if the two angles sum is 360 degrees, then we call them as conjugate angles to each other. So conjugate, if one angle is x, then conjugate angle is its conjugate angle is 360 minus x. Am I right, Nana? So 360 minus 75. I need to take this 360 minus 75. 6. Here 15 is there. 15 8 is there. 286. Am I right? So 286. Sorry, 286. Then automatically this is 180 degrees. Then automatically this is 180 minus m. Am I right? Next, automatically this is 60 degrees. Okay, it's over. Okay, it's over. Okay, Rana? Right. So Umesh said two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Do you agree? Yes. Yes, I agree. Because acute angles is nothing but 1 minute. Rana. Acute angles are nothing but we can say that if an angle is so when we assume that x is an acute angle, x is greater than 0 and less than 90 and less than 90. So less than 90, purely less than 90. So less than 90 means it's up to 89. So when we take 89 plus 89 is nothing but 178. So other than that 89.5, we can take that 89.5, 89.9 also, 89.9 also. But they cannot make 180 degrees. They cannot make 180 degrees. So that's why I can say that Umesh is correct. Umesh is correct. Yes, I agree that two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Okay? Yes, I agree. Why? Because acute angle means it is less than 90. Lokesh said each angle in any pair of complementary angles is always acute. Do you agree? So complementary is nothing but when two angles sum is 90 degrees, when two angles sum is 90 degrees, then we can call them as acute angles to each other. Am I right? So acute means less than 90. Acute means less than 90. So each angle in any pair of complementary angle is always acute. Yes, right. Right. I agree with Lokesh. I agree with Lokesh because I can take 89 degrees, then its complementary angle is 1 degree. Both are acute. Both are acute. Okay. Both are acute. Okay, Rana? Right. So I'm going to do this also. Okay. So both are acute. Right. So example 1, page number 143. In the figure, angle B and angle in the given figure, angle B and angle E are complementary angles. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. You know very well. You know very well. Complementary angles are nothing but if the two angles sum is 90 degrees, then we call them as complementary angles to each other. Complementary angles to each other. That means here angle B is equal to 1 minute. So here angle B is equal to x plus 10, they gave it. Angle E is equal to 35 degrees. Angle E is equal to 35 degrees. So we can easily say that if they are complementary, angle B plus angle A is nothing but 90 degrees. So x plus 10 plus 35 degrees is nothing but 90 degrees. So x plus 45 degrees is 90 degrees. So x is equal to 90 minus 45. Okay, x is equal to 45 degrees. Yes, we can conclude that also. So example 1 and solution is also there. I can also write the solution. Okay. Okay. Right. So example 1 is over. Now I'm going to take example 2. Example 2. If the ratio of supplementary angles is 4:5, if the ratio of supplementary angles is 4:5, then find the two angles. Then find the two angles. So given ratio is 4:5. Ratio means it is nothing but A is to B is nothing but we can write it as 4/5. No doubt about that. So given ratio of supplementary angles is 4:5. So sum of the parts in ratio, sum of the parts in ratio of 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So sum of the supplementary angles is 180. That means, so how many parts of angles are there? Total parts is 9. Total parts is 9. So 9 180. Immediate గా 4 అంటే ఏం చేస్తానన్నా 4 అంటే ఏం చేస్తాం సో లెస్ బై మోర్ ఇంటూ 180 చేస్తాం ఇది మనము రేషియోస్ చేసేటప్పుడు తెలుసుకుంటాం లేదా టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఏంటి సప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ 180 అందులో 9 parts కు 180 అయితే 1 part కు 180 by 9 4 parts కు 180 by 9 into 4 that's it అట్లనే చేసుకోవచ్చు సో 9 2 జా 4 2 is 80 like this. Next second angle. So 9 now total any parts 9 parts 9 parts को 180 అయితే 1 part को 180 by 9. Next second angle is 5 కదా 5 parts కి ఏమైతది 180 by 9 into 5 రాసుకోవచ్చు 9 2 is 25 is 100 25 is 100. So like this we can go on like this we can go on exercise 4.1. So find which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are not, which are supplementary. So again I am saying that supplementary angles are nothing but when two angles is 1 minute అన్న ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మీకు క్లియర్ గా వివరణ చూపిస్తే సరిపోతుంది సో if the sum of two angles, see this, if the sum of two angles is 180, if the sum of two angles is 180, then the angles are called supplementary angles to each other. If the sum of angles is 90 degrees, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called as complementary angles to each other. Angles are called complementary angles to each other. Am I right? So like this we can say that in 4.1 exercise we can easily say that less than 90 degrees is acute angle, greater than 90 180 less than 180 is obtuse angle, as you know very well. But children, complementary angles means if there are acute angles then we can easily say that acute angles, complementary angles are acute angles. That's it. Complementary angles are acute angles, but supplementary angles are either one is acute and one is obtuse. So 90 plus 20, no doubt about that. దీన్ని ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు మనము? They are not complementary, they are not supplementary. They are not complementary, they are not supplementary. Into what is we can strike off. So if they are complementary angles, we need to write it. We need to write. So 60 plus 30, it is complementary angles. We need to write like this. We need to write like this, complementary. So 79 plus 11, no doubt about that, they are complementary angles. Okay, Nana? They are complementary angles. So next 1 minute moment. అక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. సో ఇక్కడే రాసేద్దాం నాన్న. 1 minute. I'm going to take another color. All right. So 125, 55. So 125, 55 is nothing but 180 degrees. 180 degrees. That's why we can call them as supplementary angles. That's why we can call them as supplementary angles. Next 130, 150. We can call them as supplementary angles. We can call them as supplementary angles. 120, 140. Into what is it? ఇక్కడ into what is it? అంటే both complementary and supplementary కాదు కాబట్టి రెండిట్లో ఏది లేదు కాబట్టి we cannot judge that they are supplementary and sorry 1 minute. We can judge it. Sorry, we cannot. We can judge it either complementary or supplementary. If they are complementary, we can write complementary. If they are supplementary, we can write supplementary. If both are not, we can write strike off. We can strike off. We can strike off. Okay, Rana? We can strike off. Okay, so we can strike off. 1 minute. If the ratio of two complementary angles is 2:3, then find the two angles. As already 4:9, we write it. So second answer, I'm going to share the screen, whiteboard. 1 minute. I'm going to share the whiteboard. So what is the problem? The problem is nothing but if the ratio of two complementary angles is 2:3. If the ratio of angles, two complementary angles is 2:3, then angles sum is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So the first angle, so complementary angles sum is complementary angles sum is always 90 degrees. That means 5 parts are going to be 90 degrees and 5 angles going to be 90 degrees. Next 2 angle కావాలి నాకు. 2 angle కావాలంటే ఈ విధంగా 2/5 into 90 degrees అంటే ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్ కావాలంటే ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40, 18 2 ja 36. So the first angle is nothing but 36 degrees. Then automatically another angle is you write it has a 3/5 into 90 degrees. 3/18, that is 18 3 is 54. So second angle is 54 degrees. Am I right? Second angle is 54 degrees. Okay, Nana? Right. Okay, 54 degrees. Like this, you can go through. Like this, you can go through. Right. Next. In the figure, angle A and angle Q are complementary angles. Find the value of x. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. So, if two angles are complementary, then their angle sum is 90 degrees. Then their angle sum is 90 degrees. Okay. And their angle sum is 90 degrees. So that's why I can write it as 9x plus 36 degrees is 90 degrees. So 9x is equal to 90 minus 36. Am I right? So 4, 54. 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 9. 9 6 is 54. 9 6 is 54. Okay. So find the value of x. I find the value of x. Okay. So right. Angle A and angle B are conjugate angles, and the angle A is equal to angle B. Find the two angles. So asal conjugate angles ante enti? What are the conjugate angles? Conjugate angles are nothing but if the two angles sum is 360 degrees, then we said that they are conjugate to each other. They are conjugate to each other. That means conjugate angle sum is 360 degrees. So I need to write angle A is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to angle B. That's why 180 plus 180. It's the only possible way. It's the only possible way. Angle A and angle B. 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degrees. That's it. Draw a pair of complementary angles and pair of supplementary angles. మనం draw చేసుకోవచ్చు. Draw a pair of complementary angles, supplementary angles. Okay. So I can draw here. I can draw here. Right? Is this a complementary angle? Yes. Yes. This is a complementary angle. No doubt about that. Yes. Is this a supplementary angle? Yes, it is a supplementary. You know very well. Supplementary angle sum is 180 degrees. Complementary angle sum is 180. Sorry, complementary angle sum is 90 degrees. Am I right? Next. So like this, you can go on. ఈ బొమ్మలు మీరు వేసేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇట్లాగే వేసేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, clear all lines. Teacher asks students to draw the complementary angles given to the given angle. The students have drawn as follows. Who is correct? Who is correct? The given angle 30. Bharati done complementary angles. So complementary angles. So it is wrong. It is wrong because 30 50 is only 80 and 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. So Sujata is right. All others are wrong. Because if 30 degrees plus 60 degrees, what is the complementary angle of 30 degrees? 60 degrees. That's why Sujata is right. That's why Sujata is right. Okay, Nana? So 7th. In the given figure, angle B and angle E are supplementary angles. Find X. Yes, we can find it. So supplementary angles sum is nothing but 180. So that means angle ABC plus angle DEF. ఇక్కడ చేసేద్దాం, ఏం నష్టం వచ్చిందా? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay, Nana? So angle so here angle ABC is equal to 30 degrees plus angle DEF is equal to 5x degrees is equal to 180. So we need x. That's why 180 minus 30, 5x is equal to 150. That is x is equal to 150 by 5. That is 30 degrees. Am I right? So x is equal to 30 degrees. We need to write like this. Okay. Ashrita said, in the pair of supplementary angles, one angle must be obtuse angle. In the pair of supplementary angles, one angle must be obtuse angle. In the pair of supplementary angles, one angle must be obtuse and one angle must be obtuse. Yes. అని చెప్పొచ్చా మనము? No. Two right angles sum is always 180. They pair supplementary angles. 90 degrees is neither 90 degrees is not an obtuse angle. That's why Ashrita's Ashrita, what Ashrita said is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Why? Because one angle must be obtuse. It is wrong. If we took this one angle is 90, then automatically another angle is 180 minus x. Okay, so 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is nothing but 90 plus 90. That is equal to 180. Okay, right? So Ashrita, what Ashrita said is, in the pair of supplementary angles, one angle must be obtuse angle. Do you agree? No, we cannot agree. Find the angle which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angles. See this? Find the angle which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angles. Its supplementary angles. So first, which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. For suppose when I assume that let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. So what is the supplementary angle of this? 180 minus x. 180 minus x. So supplementary angle of x is nothing but 180 minus x. Okay, Nana? So find the angle which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. That means if x is 40 plus x, then automatically 180 minus x plus 40. Right? So 180 minus x minus 40. Okay. So minus x itwaipote x plus x is equal to 180 minus 40 minus 40. 180 minus 80. 2x is equal to 180 minus 80 and the 100. So 2x is equal to 100, x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Okay, Nana? So what is the complementary angle of, supplementary angle of 50? 180 minus 50. That is 130. 130. 130. Find the angle which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. Which is అంతే కదా 130 50 ఎంత 180 సరిపోయింది. Find the angle which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. For suppose x is an angle, then what is its supplementary angle? 180 minus x. ఇందాక చేసిందే కదా, కొంచెం రెస్ట్రైన్ గా ఉన్నానన్న ఒక్క నిమిషం అంతే. సో 180 minus x, nothing but find the angle which is more than its supplementary angle. So what is the supplementary angle of this? So దీనికి కలపాలి 40. సారీ నాన్న, దీనికి కలపాలి 40. ఓకే, దీనికి కలపాలి 40. అప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. రైట్. For suppose 130 degrees, 50 degrees more than its supplementary angle, which is 40 degrees more than its supplementary angle. ఒక యాంగిల్ 130 తీసుకుంటే ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుంది 50 అవుతుంది. దాని సప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ 50 అవుతుంది. 50 ప్లస్ 40 90 రాదు. ఇటువంటి యాంగిలే లేదు. ఇటువంటి యాంగిలే లేదు. సో Srinu said two obtuse angle cannot be supplementary. Do you agree? Yes. 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 So 91 plus 91. Two obtuse angle least 90 point something, whatever it may be. 90 plus 19 is 180. 90 point something plus 90 point something is above 180. That's why we do not agree. That's why we do not agree. Yes, we can justify our answer taking 90.5 or 91, whatever it may be. Okay, taking 90.5 like this. So I'm going to stop the share. Right? Okay. So this is nothing but 4.1 exercise of 7th class mathematics. I completed 4.1 exercise and also review exercise Okay, so in the next video, I am going to share the knowledge of, or I am going to discuss with you adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair of angles also, and linear pair of angles, and also 4.2 exercise, and also 4.2 exercise. Okay, 4.2 exercise. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and spread my channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel.